All right, we can do one more. Thank you.
All right, this goes out to anybody who took the train up here.
Hey, that's us.
All aboard the train. All aboard the train. The eastern seaboard coastline in the pouring rain. Train rolling, moving on down the track, speeding to wherever he's going, and he won't turn back. 60 tons of steel and rolling, from Washington to Birmingham, taking folks to where they're going all across the land. Hear the whistle blowing, can't you see the headlights shine? Just don't be on the track when the train's moving down the line. All aboard we have the gambler. He makes his way from car to car. He be robbing people blind till his eyes see a silver star. All aboard is Anastasia. She's widely known for breaking hearts, but she's got a way of disappearing when the trouble starts. Can't you hear the whistle blowing? Can't you see the headlights shine? Just don't be on the track when your train's moving down the line. Down the line. The hangman, he's traveling from town to town. I've never seen his work, but they say he really drops them down. The train rolling into the station, the constable is taking names. Anastasia's looking nervous while the gambler plays his last card game. Whistle blowing, can you see the headlights down? Just don't be on the track when the train's moving down the line. Down the line. The train's moving down the line. Down the line. All aboard. pouring
Thank you very much.